Alright, boys. Market opens in 2 minutes. I'm more neutral today, but I'm leaning bearish. Why? Because where are we trending? We're trending bearish, and we have London lows aligned with an unmitigated hourly. But we also have to keep in mind we just came off a sweep of London True-Day Open, and we're rotating higher towards London highs after sweeping it. However, because the trend is trending bearish, and we have a pretty decently strong draw to the downside, I want to see London highs get swept right off market open, hold the hourly gap on both indexes, and then break 5-minute structure, give us a 5-minute retrace, 5-minute entry, or 1-minute confirmation. You know the deal. You know the deal, boys. Yeah, we'll just have to see what market wants to do. But that's my bias. Because then we come up here, we have a bunch of stacked low resistance highs, but this is the strongest draw to reverse off of. So if market just wants to pump straight through London highs, so be it. I guess we'll end up having to trade lower, or we'll end up having to trade higher. But after London highs, like, nothing's really great. Even like Asia highs isn't like a swing high of this movement, but we'll just have to see, boys. I'd much prefer to trade with the trend as per usual. Trading against the trend just on the 5 minutes line, it's always ends up being a lower confidence. So I'm not gonna lie, I was looking a bit delusional. I wanted longs, but like when I first looked at the markets, but then I like had to take a step back, you know, really take a look at what we were seeing. I mean, there also could be a long opportunity if we come down, like manipulate London this low, be bullish on ES, you know, same deal. But okay, there's London eyes. That happened so fucking fast, boys. Holy shit. Alright, so we'll just have to pay attention. Wow, ES is rejecting so strong. Boys, this could be the easiest short day of my life if we can end up getting an entry. How far are we from? Okay, 156 points, so that should be enough to get an entry. As long as we want to change order flow, you know. Just have to stay patient. All these hoes on cash.
Oh my gosh, that shit is bright. I feel like I see heaven. Oh my gosh, that shit is bright. I feel like I see heaven.
I don't like how NQ's pumping like this though. Wanna be bearish. You already know who it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Hold on, I'm gonna try and look at that TJR trading challenge shit. I think I have to do KYC, and I don't feel like doing that shit, so it's not even worth it. Yeah, I have to do KYC. I'm not trying to do that. Alright, we're really pumping. This doesn't look like too much of a rejection here. But again, we'll just have to wait and see where the 5-minute takes us. Wow, my stomach. This isn't a confirmed 15-minute. I don't know. We're just gonna have to stay patient, boys. Bias could easily flip bullish. The more we pump, I would just prefer to rotate down with the trend. You know? Keep holding this hourly gap here. We could easily just reverse on ES and maintain it. But as of now, it's not looking great. For the shorts. I'm bored though. And obviously, I'm not gonna fucking signal these retards. So don't even say, no, you're watching a kick stream, dude. Just fucking bored.
Oh, naked and afraid, naked and afraid. What? You talking about you don't gotta say that.
Actually, look, you should lock in though. Just watch it on my phone. You guys don't get to fucking see. We're just straight pumping dudes.
Me and Britt. What the fuck? No! What do you say? Start touching up, start rubbing on their shit. Flea market shorts, dude, lights. You guys in KYC late take spit, bro. These girls are crazy. No, it's paid up, bro. They're all supporting you guys. Everyone's supporting you guys. Everyone wants you guys to win. It's about patience. It's about patience, man. I think it's cool going. I should try and trade the strategy because a lot to lose. I'm not trying to find out what Tyler's got planned. He seemed like he's a bit of a twisted guy, so I need to make sure I win this. The weakest shit I've ever seen in my life, bro. Doing all that hooting and hollering for nothing. I should have just turned the camera away from that so the viewers didn't have to see that bullshit.
Creating some massive rejection look on the ass. Like, what is this shit? Fucking, that's... Yeah, it's pretty big. This first candle is huge.
Try to be patient, wait for a good setup. Let's count, put up like 500 on that. 500 on that? I go long, you go short, 500 on that. What? No, 500 down? 500 paper, bud? No. Wait, how much did you do? It was all the way at the bottom? It was like right here, bro. Wait, what's that? What's rest? Oh, see, yeah, I would have been up more. Yeah, it was right there.
Trying to wait a little bit, give the market some time to breathe. The market is open, so just being patient and waiting for a specific time.
So what time would that be, like, hypothetically? Like, if you were, like... Yeah, like, if you were looking for a trade, what would be the exact price, entry, exit, and takeoff? So, guys, basically what he just said right now, I want everyone to hear what Ava just said. He said, long that bitch, fuck it.
Everything's fucking boring, dude. Dopamine is gone. Oh. I mean, market's really doing jack shit. We're just hovering around this price point right now. Ideally, we can come down and actually create a fucking wick. And that will only happen if we change 5-minute order flow to the downside. Because, again, we can still end up closing this candle, hold a 15, and rotate higher off the 15. But again, higher time frame, so that's why we gotta wait for 5-minute confirmation. 5-minute confirmation to the downside, because, yeah, sweep, rotate down, bearish SMT confirmed, retrace, rotate down. I have a feeling today's gonna be a very tough day to read market, so we're just gonna have to make sure we are confirming a strong bearish order flow if we want to take shorts. Get some trend line quick. Let's see where Bitcoin's at. Okay, boys, we're I'm not gonna jinx it. We do have. Okay. Do have this 67,300. If we break out through there, we can close, retrace, tap back into this previous resistance. Banger, banger, banger. And then, like, we really don't have much strong because this is a super fluid range that we just dumped. And I remember this because I entered, like, right over here and I was like, oh, fuck. We just dumped. I'm like, okay, finally some relief. And then, holy shit, worst day in Bitcoin history. And not in Bitcoin history, but it was pretty bad. Or no, what the fuck? That's, oh my god, I'm an idiot. No, it was this dump on Friday, February 5th. I thought for some reason. Wait, what? I don't even remember. Not gonna lie. Somewhere, oh yeah, I entered in January, way up here. Jeez, bros. This is resistance. Dump. Yeah, man. Met the resistance. Going up. We have major support at 82,000. Hopefully we can break out of that. Retest. Bam. More resistance at 97. And there I don't really give a fuck. 97,000. We'll probably continue higher from there, ideally. Cause you got me in the days, delusion makes me swing, I'm all back and forth alone now. Wait, what was that one size? Fuck, I'm trying to think. Can't think of it. Okay, we could see a rotation down here, and we still have a potential bearish SMT. We have this 5 minute, that's gonna be really our main thing, I think. See, nah, I'd prefer a break though, because then we have another 5 minute and another 5 minute. And that will, if we inverse that little fiver, we have a 15-minute below that we can just seek support. So I need to see a 5 minute break, unless they're gonna come down all the way here. Inverse, but I mean that point will just break. We have a 1 minute bearish SMT. Whatever. Dude, what is this accumulation like? Come a little closer, babe.
So using order flow and options flow, we have key levels right now. We're at our daily VWAP, we're at weekly POC towards the top side of it. It means we have the highest volume in that section. Right now, I'm looking for rejection off this key level I actually moved to bullish divergence, but look, you see, because this top tick's about to work, and I'm genuinely about to win this fucking challenge. It's gonna be like that. Look, just watch. All right, camera. I'm gonna summarize all that bullshit he just said. You can summarize all that by just looking at the 1 hour time frame. There's a fair value gap there. I mean, come on. I did like every fair value gap work. Come on. Let's not be pattern traders. Dang, it was a clip. Relax.
I actually am pretty close friends with ICT. He said, fuck you and fuck your dumbass order flow.
Stop.
ICT is actually the green support I'm getting in right now. That's actually who you're still in? ICT.
Okay, we took London Heights on Naz, so no more bearish divergence.
517.
You know, like, what do you think about this?
We're in a 4-hour gap there, though. We could still see a rotation down, you know? Does it look as good for a rotation down?
And then I switched to order flow.
No.
And I made all of that in like 5 months. I made 90K in the first 5 months. It's just way more consistent. There's nothing wrong. I think both work. Look, this is a lesson. Everything works. ICT works. Order flow works. It's whichever one you understand better.
You're getting paid right now, right? How much you got? 7 grand, baby. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck order flow is, but only learner I really learned from was TBR, so shout out TBR. I don't claim your trades, bro. Don't put me in with how you trade. No, he isn't come on right now, though. I do not claim whatever the fuck you be doing on the chart, bro. Actually, over the last 2 days, I do, because you've been dubbing the trading challenges.
It's crazy up right now too. I'm good.
That's my student. If he loses, it's not. Nah, it doesn't matter how many contracts. One micro. Yeah, it's literally just the RR.
Oh. This isn't it. Shut up, bro. This isn't it. I'm trying to fucking...
Cool vibrations.
You give me cool vibe. You know that song? You give me cool... I want to know that song, dude. Alright.
It takes 90 seconds for this NASA-engineered AC cool down your room. It's smaller than a toaster. Cools any room in 90.
Oh, what is this? Oh, it's this. Wait, is it? It's similar to this. Good vibrations, house. Maybe it's this. Oh, what? It's not even playing the song. You give me good vibrations. Fuck these songs. Oh, here it is. There we go. Now we can lock in, boys. I knew it was cool vibration. I knew it was cool vibration. Wasn't good vibration. We did take out a bunch of resistance or low resistance liquidity. We'll see if we want to reverse on the fiber. Highly doubt it though. I can't trade higher, dude. Like, the draws aren't strong up here, bro. This is like our strongest draw, and we're still really damn far away. Instead of this massive 4-hour imbalance on OQ, it could take us lower down to the unmitigated hourly and London low. You give me, you. We will probably end up inversing this hourly though. You know what? The trend's flipping, boys, and I said that if we start trending more bullish, we're probably gonna continue higher, and that's what we're looking like we're doing. I just didn't want to wait for some manipulation. I mean, at least you have a bunch of stacked 1-minute lows here we can take inside the 5-minute gap. Maybe make a bullish S&P there. We're gonna continue higher. That gets you go long. So glad I found this. I gotta pee though. Man, we just want to keep proving bullish. This looks like shit. Alright, I don't want to keep playing this song. Oh, this is so boring. Fuck this market. It's only what? It's only 23 minutes. You know, opening, and we're just straight up. I mean, we did, like, you could have entered it now. ES has to break here. So, like, if we break on ES, this could be a potential long. This next candle. Let's break to the downside, break back to the upside. What are we missing though? Some sort of manipulation or tap into something, you know? Like, this is just a huge imbalance, dude. I feel like price has to come down and do something with manipulation like we don't. In my opinion, there's not enough orders to continue straight up. I mean, there could be, like, but I feel like it's easier to wait and say, yeah, I missed my entry because the market was pumping versus just straight up entering, you know? Fuck, bro. Keep trying to dopamine that. We did break, so this could be your entry point, fucking whatever. Okay. This market looks ass, boys. Ass cheeks, man. And then it's like shorts are gone. You know, once we close this 5-minute, we can inverse to the downside, but again, yeah, basically you're gone, boys. Don't trade retraces. Market's just ass. Retain out every draw, straight bull run.
Show me even more than 10K fans.
We're literally just waiting for Jeremy to place a trade, or are you still in this?
Bro, I'm still in this shit, bro. It's looking really fucking bad.
Stop down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 people that all lost their trade today. These 3 won, but we didn't even have a singular 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio today. We're gonna have chat. We're gonna have chat decide. Hey, I love you guys. Some fun shit plans.
I mean, this is like our swing high. Now that we're so close to it, it's like I feel like price would want to grab it. This is our 4-hour high, yeah.
Wait, no way, I guess not that might take that shit. Look at how I got stopped. Look at how quick it is.
Let's have draws on MQ. I mean, it's still early, so like, I'm definitely open to taking something. I'm still open to taking a long, just because of where ES is resting. ES is resting. We inverted all the hourlies. We changed hourly order flow. Let's a draws higher. Okay, we gotta stop pumping on ES. If we take the draw, the significant draw on ES, it's wraps. Because then I don't even care if NQ wants to continue higher. If this like little zone that I think will be a manipulation area to manipulate, you know. Because if we tap into this 5 is actually valid. just not that great, seeing that we pumped all this way. Wonder where the 15-minute EQ rests. Yeah, that's not happening. Just hate how we flooded and took all our low resistance draws. You know, so I'm gonna be real patient here, real patient. We are getting our retracement. We broke to the downside. Yes, still yet to do that. Yeah. I'll give you all I got. One more draw. Are we gonna take it? Are we gonna take it or no? Are we going to take it or no? We took it. 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 We still have draws on Q. Still, you know, it just doesn't look good, man. I mean, if we close this 5-minute, could manipulate a 5-minute low instead of 5-minute gap and want to continue higher out of that. That would be sweet because then we get the manipulation checklist. We could make an SMT as well because look at how far away we are. Yeah, 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 yeah. We just gotta wait a minute 30, I think. 3 minutes 30. Fuck, no, that's not gonna happen. I mean, we still could. There's still potential, you know? There's still potential because you're tapping into a 5-minute while making a 1-minute SMT, and then we see a break out of that towards strong draws. So, Asia, how far away are we? Not too bad. I mean, 80 points is still quite a bit. We already made a 187-point move. But I think Price could potentially want to grab them, you know? So we'll just have to wait and see. I'll give you all I've got. Are we going to tap into this 5-minute, make a 1-minute SMT, and rotate higher off of that? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We never broke to the upside, so the stop loss will be super protected. Okay, we tapped in the 5-er. Oh, not yet, not yet. Keep coming down, keep coming down. I need this 5-minute confluence here. Because then, where's the equilibrium as well? Ideally, we tap into that. Okiano, yeah, yeah. We still never tapped in that 5. Shoot. I'll give you. Because now the entire time frame trend is clear. 5 minutes of the line, bit overextended, but it's gonna follow the strat, you know. The fact that we took all these draws on ES, a little sketch, but not super worried about it, you know. 5-minute closes in a minute 32, so let's come down. shortly. Let's just tap into that fiver. Come on. Tap into the fiver. Fiver. Tap into the fiver. Oh shit. We're gonna invalidate this SMT. Smoked. Smoked. Ah, smoked, dude. We invalidated our SMT, which was the main confluence driving this. I mean. So we really don't want to tap into that 5 minute, huh? Why would price want to stop after these highs? Why wouldn't we want to take out more to the upside? Do we tap in the 5 now? Nope. Just fucking tap in, dude. Thank you. It's not that late, actually. Technically, we still have a 1 minute SMT off this low. So never changed order flow back to the upside. I gotta pee. 2, 1. Okay, we held the 5 minute at least. See if we could just come down, wick into EQ. This will be a pretty good retreat. There we go. Beautiful. I guess all I'm waiting for is an inversion now. This inversion right here. I'll take it. I mean, I think it could be a riskier trade, 100%. Do we have a bearish SMT? Yeah, but we kind of completed that little 1 minute. This could definitely be an area we want to just flood lower, like 100%. But I think if we just see an inversion back to the upside, 159, 1000. It's not even one lot. We're gonna have to go in micros. Still have that inversion there. I gotta pee. Yeah, 170, so it's like 6-7 lots. 180, we'll just do 5. Higher risk. Okay. Oh shit, we have to invert on ES as well. So probably not gonna get the century off, because ES, if ES doesn't invert, that's bad. That's bad because ES is our index that's more bullish. Okay, maybe we make a 1 minute SMT off this low. That would be lit. Cause did we even inverse? And I wonder if you know. Ah, we didn't. What it means. I gotta pee. We'll just wait. Beautiful. Let's take that low. Let's take it. No. Come on. Come on, buddy. Still, yeah, still not too late. Okay, come on. One more. Banger, banger, banger. Rotate higher right now. Rotate higher right now. Okay. We're just dumping. We're in this 5 minute. Yeah, we'll have to see if we want to come lower or not. Having a wash, yeah, color me highlight. That's why I. Do you ever wonder what it all really means? Like, this is a strong close here on ES. We are in this 5 minute. 35 seconds to see if we'll invert the fiver. The lower we come, the less likely I am to... Actually, if we invalidate this SMT, it's low-key cooked. Like, I'm low-key done for the day. To find your dreams come true. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we left a 1 minute gap on both indexes. Are we gonna invalidate it? Are we gonna invalidate it? And we're smoked. Done for the day, boys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.